News Live Storm Team.
Thank you for joining us on Valley News Live. It's looked like this for much of the day. A few rays of sun starting to make their way down through the clouds, and that's actually warming up the old thermometer. We're at our high temperature for the day thus far in the 6 o'clock hour, 90 degrees, feeling like 92 thanks to dew points that are in the 60s. We get into those 60s and it starts feeling a little on the muggy side. Very little wind tonight as well. Still in the mid 80s in Moorhead at this hour, 90 for Valley City and Jamestown, 88 in Oaks, and look at Langdon sizzling at 93 degrees. Low 80s in Lakes Country right now. We also have 80 degrees for the Bemidji area and a sizzler of a day in Roseau. Once again, the radar is showing some storms moving in. More on that in a second. Look at the triple digits for the second straight day out in the western Dakotas. Another hot day there. Some relief from that heat. Well, that's really been caused by the clouds that have been parked over parts of west central and southwest Minnesota throughout the day. A couple of thunderstorms moving out of portions of Manitoba now are working their way into northwest Minnesota. Very slow mover. You can watch this thing moving just very slowly to the south. So between the Badger area and Greenbush, that'll be the best chance at seeing some heavy showers, maybe even some 1/4 of an inch diameter hail, not 4-inch diameter hail like last night. A storm formed north of the War Road area. That's now moving into Lake of the Woods County, and it's pressing down to the southeast at this hour. That one moving a little more expeditiously, but certainly not severe. Some thunder and lightning and gusty winds from that storm. Here's some non-thunderstorms, just some scattered showers working their way along the Highway 10 corridor towards Wadena, some showers. Also in Otter Tail County, we have some making their way right over Battle Lake and pushing into Henning at this hour. So some soaking showers there, keeping you a little on the cooler side. Our forecast model tonight is trying to fire up some I-94 thunder showers. I'm not certain that we'll see widespread activity like is shown here, but an isolated storm or two can certainly not be ruled out. The vast majority of us will enjoy a very quiet, albeit hot evening with temperatures in the upper 80s through late evening, if not low 90s. Then, as we head to bed tonight, spotty showers or thunderstorms quickly exit, clearing the skies for viewing of the Perseid meteor shower. Still peaking tonight, probably the best chance we'll have at seeing it, so get out if you can. After midnight, between midnight and sunrise, the best time to see it. Look up to the northeast horizon. Temperatures to start your day near 65 to 70 degrees. Light wind tomorrow and already racing into the upper 80s for our western counties from the Red River and points west. Lakes Country warming up as well. And look at the abundant sunshine region-wide. Light winds, temperatures soaring into the 90s tomorrow. We could even have 1 or 2 locations in the far west hitting the triple-digit figures. Devil's Lake and the Langdon area actually have a chance at that. You've been some of the warmer places the last couple of days. A hot evening, once again, light winds, and it doesn't look very stormy for your Friday. Maybe a good day to get out to the Lakes Country. Speaking of southeast North Dakota, temperatures here will be in the mid-90s for your afternoon drive home. Lakes Country near 90 degrees, a perfect day to get the feet in the water. And up in the Northland, we'll have some upper 80s to low 90s across your area. A hot day as well in the Devil's Lake Basin with a near 100-degree reading, not out of the question there. Near record highs for our Friday and again Saturday. 68 to start things out in Fargo-Moorhead. 88 already by your lunch hour, and we'll be in those mid-90s for your afternoon. Light winds, sunny skies, and then, well, thunderstorms are in the forecast. Here is a supercellular thunderstorm taken near the Karlstad area. Thanks for sharing that. Here's a look at your forecast. Saturday, most of the day, very hot, 101. A chance of late night storms that we have a 20% chance, but actually most of those storms will be pushing through into early Sunday morning. A few could be severe. Look at the cool relief we have from the heat Sunday through next week, where we'll return to more seasonable conditions.
Scorcher until then.
Indeed.
All right, thanks. Later in sports, the Twins trying to claim a series for the first time since early July. Beth will have your highlights. But first, the Cass County Sheriff's Department accepts a large donation.